But what is it?
My heart is in canting of burning moon, to play
Quick, hide!
It's not land of a pirate evermore. What be that foul smell?
Aye, that oyster chili be disagreeing with me something fierce.
No, there be a yet fouler smell. One I not be smelling for nigh 600 moons.
Oh, fresh trousers?
Logbacks. Rouse the lads, Rusty Pete. Tonight our foes taste the cat's tail.
Hey, Rustbucket! Catch!
Arr! Skewer that saucy wench!
Aye, Captain, skewering.
Arr! Me wee cannonballs!
I'm telling you, all it needs is a couple of new batteries.
Oh, well, what do you know about Lombax technology? My mother was half Lombax. Yeah, well, we used to make these, gizmos out of paper mache.
I happen to be a renowned expert in Lombax history, and this doohickey is a zombie death beam emitter that'll wipe out all life in the galaxy.
Then why are you trying to put batteries in it, you darn fool?
Guys, just give me 2 seconds to think.
Having trouble?
Okay, genius, you figure it out.
No! It's the zombie death beam!
It appears to be a map.
Wait a second. It's Racket's 5. That must be where the secret is hidden. I'll start the ship. Me as the sea cat